Alrighty, guys. Me. I'm going to show you something. If I can get online. Yeah, you can do it. Alrighty. So we want to go to the rock. Dude, this is a Dynam book. Supposedly, Toshiba. Don't buy one. They suck. Lunar Orbiter Camera. Alrighty. Kills me is they got no disk drive in this thing. You can't friggin' load anything. Alright, let's go. We go down here. Come on. And we go to 5. I think it's 5, or is it 3? Oh, see? What the hell? Go to 3. Oop. What? Oh. Yeah, those are cool. The pictures of Saturn. Huh? I don't know what happened. Three. This website is all screwed up. I can't figure it out. Look at. Why am I back to here? There's some cool pictures on this website. Here's one I want to show you. If I can get to it. Where is it? You know, this picture here, you'd think you'd be able to pick all kinds of stuff up out of it, but you can't see nothing. This stuff's been wiped out. Let's see what else. It's like this stuff here. Why? Why? Anyway, that ain't the picture I wanted to show you anyway. So, let's keep going. See if we can get to 5. Well, you know what? I'm going to say screw you. I'm going to just go right in here. And find that picture. I know I got it in here. Let's see, there it is. This picture is cool. This has got more shit in it than you want to believe. I can't get away from it. I keep coming back. So let's rotate this sucker left. And then we're going to do this. A little color correction. Okay. Can't get past my picture on the side there. Alright, let's go look. Ooh, ooh, what is this? What is this? Look at this. Folks, it's on the moon. Look at this. Huh? Is that a crater? No. This stuff. Look at it. Huh? There's more shit in this picture. Look at this. Let's go out a little bit so you can see it better. That's not a goose. Alright? I don't know how they do that. But then there's this guy here. Big head. I don't know how they do it. They carve it in the ground or something. Alright? And then you get stuff like this. It's on the moon. This is not a picture of anything else. It's the moon. Okay. You don't believe it. Right. They got these things so bright you can't even see half the shit that's in them. Doubt it. They built it all up. They've built it all up. It's all built up. Get a whole civilization living on the moon. God. Maybe that's where we go when we die. Maybe we all take turns living on Earth. And when we die, we go back to our real bodies. That would be cool. I wouldn't mind that. Little things like here, look at. How's that happen naturally? Doesn't. Okay, this is a short one. I gotta go to work. But it's all over this picture. Find it, look for yourself. I'll give you the real picture. Okay? Take a screenshot of it. I can show you, you can do a screenshot of it. It's just as good as anything. I like the snippet tool. I'll show you. Then just open it up with your program. And I use EarthenView. Okay? Then you can diddle with it. All you gotta do is give it a little contrast. Let's set this values. Okay? Give it some contrast. And then darken it up. We can go a little bit more, I think. Get rid of that brightness. Oh, like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay? See? See what jumps out at you. So yeah, you can do this yourself. Just take a screenshot off of mine. You don't have to go looking for it. the place. All over the place. Yeah, I guess kind of too dark, but I wanted to get into this area here. All right, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Y'all have a good time. Enjoy life. It's going to be short. Live it to the fullest.